Hola Lunatics! Today, just like the title says, we are gonna try Filipino curly hair products in our 4A hair. So this is the state of my hair right now. I had two puffy buns last time you saw me, but they are already destroyed and it's my wash day. I'm gonna do this video without Sol because it's not her wash day. Our wash day couldn't coincide this week and I really wanted to get this video out. This is the package that was sent to us. Like, we had one each but I'm gonna be the first one to use mine. And this was sent by Zenutrients people. Like, they sent it to us so we can try it. I'm gonna unbox first, guys. Oh, there's a tote bag. It brings a tote bag. So cute. Oh, this is so cute. It's a one string long tote bag. And it says, love yourself completely, flaws and all. Wow. Such a beautiful message, especially today that I don't have makeup. So we have a conditioner. We also have shampoo. And there's a leave-in conditioner. Very important when you are a curly hair girl. So let's go to the CR together and try these products out. So I'm out of the shower and this is how the hair is looking. As you can see, as soon as I applied the conditioner, the curl pattern came back, which is good. And now we're gonna apply the leave-in conditioner and dry it out with my head towel. Even though they look soft, they don't feel soft. I don't know. Let's see if the leave-in helps with that. I'll show you the results when it's a bit dry. So this is how they're looking right now. They are not still completely dry because my hair really takes a long time to dry, so I'm not gonna wait for that because I wanna finish this video, guys. I have stuff to do, but I am realizing like I need a haircut because part of my hair is longer than the other part. I don't know, it looks like. So I mentioned earlier it was a bit dry, but after I used the leave-in, it's way better now. Like, it's soft and I can see like it's really looking healthy with this. So yeah, this is not a bad line. This is a good line compared to the shampoo that I've been using, that is just a normal shampoo, not like for curly hair or whatever. It gives me like a more down look. The other one makes my hair go up, more like an Afro, and this one makes it a little bit down. So yeah, you guys have seen me with the other products, so you can judge how you like it. I think it's looking really healthy and hydrated, but also please keep in mind that my hair is not completely dry yet. Oh, let me show you the back. Alright, so that's the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, thank you to Zenutrients for sending us this line for us to try. Thanks to our patrons and supporters.
Huge shout out to our certified and verified Soul Lunatics, especially Cherry Floor, Kenny Hughes, Clenjen, Brian Cabusora, Eggy, AJ Primicias, Tish21, Yokagi-san, Stelberry Jen, Gabe, V. Jalilla, WB, Pro Alf, Sherborne, Emilio Taveras, Don Rotopuso, Pinoy OFW Adventure, Six Man, Archie, Desk Jog, Jam,
Classic Man.
Lazy Bear, Christian Gomez, and Chris Boggs.
And now watch this video that appears right here, recommended by YouTube's algorithm especially for you. So click on it right now.